to another rental property video presentation by Kingscliff Sales and Rentals, and this time we're showcasing Unit 1 at number 2 Ibis Court in Kingscliff. What we have on offer here is a fully renovated 2-bedroom single level duplex located at a short distance from town and the beach. As we go down to street level, this is how it presents from the street. Very, very well presented. Stepping inside, you step into a lounge room off to your left-hand side. Beyond that, there's a dining room. It's got a ceiling fan. And as you can see, inside has been fully renovated. Fully renovated kitchen, new floors, new paint, new lights, new carpets throughout, and new curtains. Off the dining room is a large sunroom. Beyond that, there's an outdoor area which is covered. And beyond that, there's a fenced yard area, great for kids, and also an oversized garden shed. From here, we'll step back inside the property. The second bedroom is at the front of the property, main bedroom at the rear, good size, mirrored built-in robes, a 2A bathroom with shower, bath, a separate vanity, separate toilet, internal laundry and garage with remote control roller door and internal access. Should you be interested in renting this property, please call the team at Kingscliff Sales and Rentals 0266 745 888. Email them at rentals@salesandrentals.com.au for viewing times. For more photos and information, visit the website at salesandrentals.com.au.